What is that?
So,
Your father.
it's true.
No, yes, no.
This is the confirmation I needed.
What is that now?
So, you are into hookups.
Jesus Christ, Daddy, me. Daddy, no, I'm not into hookup.
Get to registered.
What is that now? What is that? You know the one that told me 300,000.
I get you
What are
into
you? Did you
another
tell me
school
300,000?
that I need in you. I have always inculcated the values in you, but you have refused to take up. You have refused to accept the values I'm inculcating in you.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Lenzi, aka Agriba the Market Man, and with me today, I'm here with
Tobechukwu.
I'm here with Mr. Tobechukwu, as you can see, yeah. So okay, Daddy here reached out to me and said, please, Agriba, I would really want to come on this show because of something. So let me just allow you to explain so people can hear directly from him.
Yes, I'm Tobechukwu. I reside in Canada. I just zoomed into the country to have some fun, have some feel of the African environment and chill out greatly, you know. And I've been hearing some rumors, you know, over time that my own daughter has been into hookups. She has been into hookups, and a lot of messages have been coming to me on that, and I never believed it. But I really want to find out the reality, if it's true or not. That is why I'm into this, because I want to make my own investigation to be sure of the rumors I've heard and be completely sure of it. That is it.
I think we have had that, yeah. So it's really not a nice one to hear such a thing, and you as a father, you keep quiet. You need to take action. You understand? Action needs to be taken so that, according to yes, it says spare the rod and spoil the child. If you spoil the rod, that's when you're sparing the child. The Bible said that too. So just stay with us, and let's see how we're gonna go about this. I'm gonna text her right now so we can meet up, so she can send me her address and let's meet up then. Although we've been texting for quite some time now, I and her have been texting for some days and just on a fair conversation and everything, hoping to see today. So please just stick with us and let's see what happens after now. Yeah, don't forget to share this video if you watch this video. Okay. Oh, sorry and everything. I just decided to come and see you so that we can just have a perfect conversation. So I don't know what you were telling me on WhatsApp. Yeah, I don't know what you were telling me on WhatsApp. You can still do a better price. Understand?
I told you you've discussed this thing already. Now, why are you?
I know. I'm not coming to start making everything look up and down again. So, I'm not trying to make everything. Somebody's texting me. I'm not trying to make everything look up and down like that. But I just want us to have an amicable agreement, not like when we might have gone to have fun and we start bargaining up and down, pay me this one and that one. You understand? Moreover, I have told you that I'm not the one who even wants to. That is my chairman who just came back from Canada. And my boss, he just came back from Canada. Yeah. Although he's married, he has children. He has married and I guess he has children of your age or something. So. But he just wanted to just come and have fun or something like that. That's it. So that's why I don't want everything to start looking like it's a children something. That's why I just wanted to have a very reasonable agreement.
I told you 350 now.
I know you told me 350. Okay, do you know what?
What?
Do you know what? Okay, let's not start arguing like we want to buy pepper or tomato or onions. I'm telling you to do. I wanted to say 250, but let me just say, let him just do 300. Round number. 300k is not bad. 300k is not bad.
A man that can do 300 can equally do 250 now.
I understand. A man that can do 300 can do that. I know, but just I don't know. This one is even too much.
Okay, it's fine. Don't worry.
I don't know if you can. There's somewhere in the car. I don't know if you can just go there and meet him. So I just get to say hi.
Let's go.
Sorry.
Thank you. Jesus.
What is that?
Come here. Where are you going?
What is that?
So,
Your father.
it's true.
No, yes, no.
This is the confirmation I needed.
What is that now?
So, you are into hookups.
Jesus Christ, Daddy, me. Daddy, no, I'm not into hookup, Daddy.
All the things I've been doing for you.
Daddy.
I spend my time over there in Canada
Daddy.
working and making all arrangements for you to be good.
Daddy.
I send money to you for everything you need. I make sure you don't lack anything. Why have you disappointed me?
Daddy, I'm not.
You have. This is a great disappointment.
Daddy. I mean.
What do you have to say? You have nothing to say.
Daddy,
You have nothing to say.
Daddy,
Daddy.
Now listen.
Daddy.
What is that?
You have failed me,
Ah,
and I'm going to take action on this
Daddy.
immediately.
Daddy, I'm not. I'm swear to
Listen,
God.
now listen.
Daddy.
I have changed my mind at this moment.
Daddy, please, Daddy.
Now listen.
Daddy, I'm not to
You
hookup.
are going back with me to Canada.
I don't do hookup. God forbid.
I'm going to make sure you stay with me over there. I get you
What is that now? What is that? You're the one that told me 300,000.
I get you
What are
into
you- did you
another
tell me
school and
300,000?
I make sure you go to school from home. I'll be there to watch you. You will not have that liberty you used to have before anymore. I'm going to make sure you don't stay in this country anymore.
Daddy, but I'm already in 300 level.
This is 300 nonsense.
Daddy.
This is 300 nonsense because
Daddy,
you have failed yourself.
There's no one to
And I am not going to
Daddy,
take
it's not
it.
what he thinks now.
Like,
Daddy.
What is not what he thinks? He told me 300,000, 350,000.
No, I don't know him, oh. Daddy, do you know me?
You don't know him and you are with him. You don't know him and you are with him. Now listen.
That is not what you think now, Daddy.
Prepare your mind. Just prepare your mind. Prepare your mind. You are going back to this Canada.
That is not what
That
you
is all.
think. I'm not doing hookup. I don't do
Let's
hookup.
go.
I have nothing more to say.
Like, what is that now?
I have nothing more to say.
Daddy, please, I don't do
Listen. Listen.
Daddy, I don't know.
If I have to leave you here once more, what are the chances that you're not going to get killed?
Daddy, I don't do hookup. Oh. I swear
You don't
to
do
God.
hookup. So what are you doing? Are you doing hook down?
Daddy.
If you're not doing hookup,
Daddy,
is it
now.
hook down you're doing?
Daddy.
Okay, let's just say you're doing hook down. Whether it's hook up or hook down, it's the same thing. Now listen, I'm not going to give you that chance anymore. You're going back to Canada. You're going to stay with me, and you're going to be schooling from there, from home.
I'm going far in school now. How will I start? I'm going far.
And you can restart everything over there. I have the money. I'll spend all the money I need to spend, but I'll make sure you have that real value that I need in you. I have always inculcated the values in you, but you have refused to take up. You have refused to accept the values I'm inculcating in you. Now, I have changed my mind and nothing more. That is the final. We're going back to Canada.
Daddy.
I'm done with you.
Daddy, tell him, Daddy, please, now, Daddy, please, tell him,